It's the real estate show. We've come to sell DR.
Am I still on? You read the title. It's properties in Dominican Republic. My lips aren't working. Welcome aboard. Okay, so this is fun. Okay, we're live from the office. We're on the alternative. Oh shit! And the producer's no good. He let the song run too late. Okay, we're gonna hit this one. 17 rooms, 10 titles, 800 G's. It's right in Sosua. But this is Friday afternoon. Soon this is gonna be, welcome Mark. This is gonna be, can I show you safely? Yeah, I can show you safely my picture. This is gonna be the live happy hour Friday afternoons. We're gonna have, 3 to 5 for agents and walk-ins and stuff like that. And so, this is a live shot right now, and Timmy Turnip, what's up? I hate to bum you out. I'm going to come back because a brother of mine just walked in the door, and I'm going to meet his wife, and we're going to talk a little bit of real estate. So it's a false alarm. Look at this. Okay, this is what we're going to hit when we come back. I'll give you a little taste. This is the first one. 17 rooms, 10 titles, 800 G's. It's money. It's my favorite. And then we're going to hit all these listings in Caribe Campo, residential, Terrazzo Tropimar. Okay? They start at 55 and they go to 200. Low fees. Then we're going to hit this. How do you like my studio? The audio's good, eh? I just got my client in there by accident. Okay, and then, is the door open? Okay, cool. Chiquita Beach, 1.4 million, 10 rooms, makes 160 grand US in your pocket every year off the books, all cash. And then residential Tropimar, Terrazzo Tropimar in Caribe Campo. We're going to hit a bunch of walkthrough videos. We're going to hit a video of the grounds. Then we're going to see some hotels. All right? So I'm going to have a beer with my brother over here. I'm going to come back to this. And if you're in Cabarete, walk in the door. I promise when I'm broadcasting, I'll switch the camera off so you don't have to be live on air. All right. Peace out.